In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently work with strips and containers in the Wix editor to give your website a polished and seamless look. If you've ever noticed those pesky gaps in your design, worry no more, because we'll be tackling how to remove them by adjusting the drag edges and fine-tuning the padding and margins. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also ensures a smooth user experience. First, let's dive into the Wix editor. If you're new to Wix, the editor is where all the magic happens. It's the platform's hub for customizing and designing your site just the way you envision it. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the strips or containers that are part of your web page design. These are essentially the building blocks of your layout, and learning how to effectively manage them is key to achieving that sleek, professional finish. One of the simplest methods to eliminate unwanted gaps between your strips or containers is by dragging their edges. You'll want to navigate to the edge of the strip or container you wish to adjust. Look for the small drag handles that appear when you hover over the edges. These handles allow you to click and drag, effectively resizing the element. The goal here is to carefully drag the edges of your strips or containers until the gaps are closed. This might take a bit of patience, as you'll want to ensure everything lines up neatly, but it's incredibly satisfying once everything clicks into place. Now, closing visible gaps is only part of the process. To really master the art of seamless design in Wix, we must delve into adjusting the padding and margins. These are fantastic tools for fine-tuning the spacing within and around your elements. Simply select the element you wish to adjust and head over to its settings panel. Here, you'll find options for both padding and margins. Padding will control the space inside the element, affecting how content is spaced within it. You might want to decrease padding if elements are too spread out, or increase it for more breathing room. Margins, on the other hand, manage the space outside the element, effectively controlling the spacing between different elements. Reducing margins can bring content closer together, while increasing them can offer a more spaced out look. As you make these adjustments, regularly preview your site to see how everything looks in real time. This continual checking ensures you end up with a look that not only appeals visually, but maintains function and navigation for your visitors. So there you have it. By mastering these elements, dragging edges, and honing in on padding and margins, you'll elevate your Wix website from standard to standout. Stick around for more tips and tricks, and as always, happy editing!